Hello and welcome to Practice 1. In this lecture, we will practice how to create table enhancement. Okay, let's start this lecture. First, we go to transaction SE11 and then we take a look at table EBAN. This table contains purchase requisition data. We will enhance this table by using both customizing include and also append structure. Basically, we can modify all SAP objects, but it is not really recommended. First, we will enhance this table by using append structure. We press append structure button. There are already several append structure in this table, and we may press new button because we have to create new one. We may this append structure like we can name this append structure with zm underscore app01 and then we click OK. We will give short description append structure for purchase requisition and hmm, and then we add fields to this structure. For For this field name, it must be started with ZZ or YY. We can add more than one fields. And for example, we add one field only. We name ZAPP01. We can use existing data element or we can create a new data element. For this field, we create a new data element ZDE underscore APP01 and then we double click the data element name for creating the data element. We fill we will fill the short description when we create this. So let's fill short description field. We choose to create a new domain. For example, we create a domain with type char and length is 10. And we activate the domain. And we also activate the data element. And then we activate the append structure. This may take a long time. We can see now the fields of append structure are in the table EBAN. We can attach append structure to all standard tables and structures as we want. But one append structure can only be attached to one table. Okay, we have done adding a field in the standard table by using append structure. And now we will add field by using customizing include. Contrast the append structure, we cannot add field to all standard table as we want by using customizing include. We can only add customizing include when in the table there is a special include usually start by CI underscore. So we see in table EBAN there is a customizing include CI underscore EBAN DB. So we can add fields by using customizing include in the table. We double click the include for creating the customizing include. We fill the short description field. For example, we add one field. The name of the field must be started by ZZ or YY. For example, we name the field with ZZCI01 and we use existing data element char10 and then we save the customizing include and then we activate. Let's activate this. This may take a long time. So we see we see in the table EBAN there is one additional field customizing include can be attached to more than one table. Okay, we have done enhancing standard table by using append structure and customizing include. Okay, I think enough for this chapter. See you again in the next chapter. Thanks.